Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So let's get started. Click on right top corner on 3 horizontal lines. Click on Setting and Privacy. Then tap on Personal and Account Information. Click on Access and Control. Then click on Deletion and Deactivation. Here are 2 options. You can either deactivate the account for a specific period of time or delete the account permanently. Please choose your preference and click the button to confirm the process. So how you can delete Facebook account permanently. Thank you guys for watching this video.